Hey guys, and it's time to unbox this beautiful Xiaomi Mi A2, and the reason I bought this smartphone is because really wanted to see how it stands up against other smartphones at this price, and also wanted to see how much improvements Xiaomi has done in terms of performance and cameras as compared to the previous Mi A1, the first generation Android One smartphone from Xiaomi. So yeah, I got it from Amazon at 17,000 Indian rupees, and that's almost $250 US. Pretty sleek pricing, I think. Okay, so pretty simple box, and inside you get another box which is having transparent case. Great to see brands including the case out of the box, and we have SIM card tool along with the USB-C to 3.5mm headphone jack. Basically the Mi A2 is not having headphone jack, so you have to use this in order to use your headphones or earphones. There is no earphones included inside the box, by the way. So there are a few user manuals, and at last the beautiful Xiaomi Mi A2. Also there you have the charger, which is surprisingly not the fast charger. You'll need to buy it separately in order to fast charge your Xiaomi Mi A2. And there is a USB-C cable for data syncing as well as for charging. And this is the gold color variant. It has 4GB of RAM and 64GB of internal storage. There is no micro SD card expansion, so all you get is 64GB of storage, and from that also 15 gigs are already in use by system applications. So overall you will be getting 47 to 48GB of internal storage, and it is a nice smartphone. Amazing part is that it is having the latest Snapdragon 660 processor at this price. I mean, you just cannot get a 660 at 17,000 Indian rupees / $250. Even the Nokia 7 Plus or Galaxy A8 are pricey. They are around, I think, $350. And if you take a look at the builds, you get speakers on the bottom, and rest in peace headphone jack. Really, I'm gonna miss that one. SIM card tray on the left, IR blaster, and there's the volume rocker keys. Build quality seems great. The main improvement is cameras. There is 12 plus 20 megapixel rear sensor, and I am impressed, guys. I'll be doing a camera comparison with Moto G6, Redmi Note 5 Pro, Zenfone M1, and many other smartphones are in my list, so stay tuned for that. And yeah, there is also 20 megapixel selfie shooter. Great. So the Mi A2 basically runs the latest Android 8.1 Oreo operating system, and it is having the June 2018 security patch out of the box. Oh, I just got an update of the August 2018 security patch. So since it is an Android One smartphone, so you will be getting 2 years of major updates. That means Android Pie and Android Q. Android Pie, I think you will get it around the end of 2018. So stay tuned for my full review for Android Pie on the Mi A2 also. Overall, amazing smartphone. My first impressions, I think it is an amazing smartphone. Sleek, pretty slim, great design. Shock Android in camera is what I really love, and really expecting this smartphone to perform well in real life. Yeah, that's all with the unboxing and the first impressions of Xiaomi Mi A2. Also, don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button, cause the camera comparison and speed test are really coming soon. So stay tuned for that. Thanks for watching, and peace out.